Welcome. My name is Bree Rosenblum. I'm a professor here at UC Berkeley and excited to extend an invitation to you for my summer Global Change Biology course. This is a course that you couldn't have taken 10 years ago because it didn't exist. I developed the course and the companion textbook because it felt so important to offer a new way of thinking about how to study biology at this particular time point in history. Our planet is changing rapidly. The conditions for life on Earth are changing rapidly. The options we have for designing a sustainable future are also changing rapidly. And all of this is confusing, scary, exciting, interesting, and immense. I developed the class because I wanted you to be informed and inspired about being a human being and a scientist at this moment of time on our rapidly changing planet. I myself am a practicing global change biologist. I study the biodiversity of our planet, and I'm particularly fascinated with how new species form and why we're losing species at such an alarming rate in our modern world. I work in ecosystems all over the world, from deserts to mountains to rainforests. I care deeply about life on our planet, and I'm excited to share this passion with you. In our Global Change Biology course, we'll look at the past, present, and future of biodiversity on planet Earth. First, we'll start with the past. I'll guide you through the story of how life evolved on our planet, the story of how our own species rose to dominate, and the story of our contemporary impacts. We'll study a wide variety of human pressures, from climate change to invasive species to emerging infectious disease. Next, we'll dig into the question of how the millions of other species on planet Earth respond to human impacts. We'll look at how species move, adjust, adapt, or die when they're faced with the pressures of a changing planet. We'll study many different types of species, from microbes to mammals, and we'll study many biological levels to see how humans are changing the fate not only of individual species, but also entire ecosystems. Finally, we'll look to the future and consider different ways to address biodiversity conservation on a changing planet. We'll explore ways that we, as individuals, communities, nations, and a global society, can have a positive impact on our collective future. I work hard to make sure this course is integrative, accessible, and inspiring, no matter what your background. I also care deeply that the course feels relevant to your life. So in addition to the core content, I'll guide you through a personalized project where you can explore a topic of your own choosing. Whether you're hoping to be a professional scientist or just a well-informed global citizen, I want this course to help you feel a greater sense of belonging in our natural world. I hope that the course will be enriching for you personally and also helpful to our world. I'm excited about all the ways that the study of global change biology can help us build a sustainable future, not only for ourselves, but for the millions of other species with which we share this Earth. I am so looking forward to seeing you this summer.